How's it going, everybody? I'm back with another hotel review. This time, staying at the Flamingo. Let's go.
Here we have an exciting piece featuring
Damn, this line is longer than I thought. I'm gonna be here for a while. This is a long hallway. I could do some sprints. Looking kind of sexy up in here. So I'm in the room right now at the Flamingo. So I got the cheapest room, the Fab room, about $10 a night. And I have to say it's very nice. I like how everything here is bright. And of course the theme is Flamingo, so there's gonna be a lot of pink in there. So we got right here is king size bed. Looks pretty comfy. And with two side pieces on the side of the bed. And it got a lamp that looks like a diamond, upside down diamond, and got another lamp that looks like a flamingo, which is pretty cool. And of course we are staying at the Flamingo. Then you got the entertainment stand, which also has a safe and a fridge inside there. And they also say it's a 32-inch screen TV, but it looks more like a 42. So I got the cheapest room. The Fab room is only 350 square feet, but looks pretty spacious, especially when you got one king size bed. But if you do have two, then it won't be as spacious as it looks. Then right here in this corner we have a painting of the Flamingo, and we got two chairs and a table if you want to sit down, relax, and just chill. So we have this lounge couch right here. It looks pretty cool. Then right here you got two paintings of the Flamingo. Then over here you got a long mirror so you can check out your fit, if you're looking good before you head out for the nightlife. And then right here you got the closet, which is pretty basic. You got your hangers. It actually has a drawer right here. And what's kind of cool is if you put your hand through there, it'll light up. And then you walk in here, you got the bathroom. Looks pretty cool. I like the background where all that jagged edge is looking, and I think that is, oh, it actually is tile. Wow, pretty cool. But yeah, I like the mirror with the lights all around. Looks pretty cool. Looks very, not modern, but contemporary, I guess. It looks more contemporary than modern, but still looks nice. Then of course you got your toilet. Then you got the shower, which is pretty cool. And just like the link, if you forgot your shampoo, soap, and whatnot, they also have dispensers of body wash, condition, and shampoo. Then if you got ashy skin, they also have a lotion stand. So yeah, this is the room. I mean, out of all the ones so far, I kind of like how this is. It's a lot brighter. It's pretty nice. Well, one thing I like about it is each side between the bed, they also have plugs and also USB plugs. So it's pretty convenient if you got a lot of gadgets and stuff you want to charge. Pick a spot. Oh, and I gotta see the view of where we're at. Let's check it out. Oh, not bad. Not bad. You have the view of the Mirage, and of course the link, and you're right in the front of the promenade. Alright, so right now I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna try to find a place over here at the Flamingo where I can eat at, and that's where I'm gonna eat. Let's go.
Unbelievable. I think we found it. You think the unthinkable.
dinner at Carlos and Charlie's taco Mexican spot. Something different this time around, so I'm very hungry. I'm gonna get me something real good. So I just got back from dinner. Yeah, so I didn't do much. I was just walking around. I walked around the promenade for a little bit, took a little picture in front of the Flamingo. Then I went back in, tried to have dinner at Carlos and Charlie's, which is a Mexican restaurant. Pretty good. They've got tacos, burritos, and whatnot, but I ended up getting a bacon double cheeseburger, which was pretty good. And it came with fries. And otherwise than that, I'm just back here in the room. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna take a shower, take a nap, and I'll get up tomorrow to check out the pool. And I didn't know they had a flamingo habitat. Check that out tomorrow, and I'll see you all in the morning. Good morning. So I just woke up. I'm about to head down to the beach pool and check out some wildlife habitat. The flamingo. Look how nice it is out here. I'd like to roll. Alright, so I'm over here at the Flamingo Wildlife Habitat. It opens from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. and they have a lot of live animals like flamingos, catfish, ducks. It has some beautiful waterfalls and it's nice to walk to. And one thing about this is it's free. Okay, now that's done. I'm about to head to the beach club pool. So I just checked out the beach club pool. Pretty cool, man. You got like cabanas, day beds that you can rent out. I just went there for a little bit. I just wanted to see what it was about. There were just too much people at the pool, so I'm not going in there. And another thing is, you can bring cameras, but you can't bring a selfie stick because that's considered a weapon. So shout out to the security that told me about that. He was very respectful and I was very respectful back, so I just put my stick away and just held my camera, walk around and got some of the views. Otherwise than that, man, it's pretty nice. They also have a Go Pool Club, but that's 21 and over, so I don't think I'm gonna go in there. They don't want cameras in there, so I'm gonna head back and see what's up. You also have a wedding chapel over here if you ever want to get married in Vegas. Alright, it's almost coming to an end, so what I think about the Flamingo, I like it. One thing I like about it is the room. The room is pretty nice, got a contemporary look. Not modern, but I mean it's bright, it gives that pop. I like this red sofa piece right here, so you just lay down and relax. And it's cool they have a wildlife habitat. That's the one thing that I also like about it. And also have flamingos, ducks, koi fish, and it's free. The pool was a pretty good sized pool. I was gonna go, but then there were a whole bunch of people, so I ended up not going. So otherwise than that, the pool's really nice. And they also have a bar and grill, so if you want to eat there, you don't have to go into the casino and find a place to eat. You can just eat at the bar and grill by the pool and eat by the pool. And what I also like about the Flamingo is the location. Just like the Link, which is next door, it's smacked in the middle of everything. You can just go ride on a promenade and pick a place to eat. You can either do zip lining or you can do the high roller. Either way, it's a win-win. Now, for what I don't like about it is the walk. So when you're booking this room, you better hope that you don't get the rooms at the far end, because from where you check in to get in there, because this is my first time here, and it was a journey. Maybe it was like a 5-minute walk. So I was going up the elevator, waiting till the elevator opens up, and man, it was a journey. I was at the far end. So the main entrance is way back, and the far end is right next to the promenade, which is where I'm at right now. Yep, it's a journey. So either get an upgrade to get a closer room or a better view, or you're gonna be walking far. One of the things I disliked was the line. During check-in, I was in there for a pretty long time. It was a Sunday, it was busy, so there was a whole lot of people checking in, and the line was pretty long. It moved okay, but still, it was long, and I wanted to get into my room already and take a nap, because I checked in late. Oh, and the shows they have over here is Piff the Magic Dragon, which I walked by and actually saw him. I guess he was doing a meet and greet after his show. They also have the X Brûlée at the X Brûlée Theater. If I say it wrong, I apologize. I'm sorry. That's pretty much for adults only. They also have the RuPaul Drag Race show. And you got Legend in Vegas. Wayne Newton also has his show. So you can go check those shows out. You can go Ticketmaster and check out the times and check out them shows. And there's other places that I didn't get to check out, but I just passed by. There's places like the Bird Bar, the Las Vegas Spa at the Flamingo, Uno Salon, Temporary Bricks. Well, I actually was on that. It was in the Habitat area. We got the Caesar Sports Bar, Fan Zone, Bugsy's Bar, and the Courtroom. So, would I recommend staying over here? Yeah, I like it over here. And one thing good about these Caesar hotels, like at the Link, Horseshoe, they're actually pet friendly. I saw a couple dogs walking around the Habitat area, which was really cool. I mean, if you don't want to leave the dog at home, bring them on vacation, bring them to one of these hotels. Alright, so that concludes my hotel review. There might be some things I forgot, but hopefully I'll be back here to do another hotel review at a different room, at an upgrade. So if this really helps you out, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. There'll be more of these to come in the near future. So I'm gonna end it right here. So this is Manny. Until next time, aloha.
What are the stories which haven't been told?